going on, man?
Oh yeah. On our way to Mount Buller. We're 20 minutes away and I'm keen.
Let's go.
Alright.
Yeah, there's a J16 $9.
Fuck. Alright, $16 for this.
Hey, look at Lee.
That's not bad.
Yeah, let's go.
Woo!
There's like no scratches.
I didn't even know where.
I bet she scratched it herself and then got it for cheaper.
I reckon that'd be game changing.
Game changing, yeah?
Yeah, you said last time they were like full fogging up.
Yeah. I'm beginning to test it out.
Oh yeah, look at that helmet.
Why?
Oh yeah? That's a drip. Well, he's got a free pass.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So really, that was
Save $6. we can buy a bowl of chips for that. Just think about it that way. Oh, free bowl of chips.
Or a bottle of water.
A bottle of water.
Yeah, half a bottle of water.
Surely there's taps or some shit.
One piece of gum.
One piece of gum. No, we can find that on the bottom of a bin somewhere. Mount Buller is one of the top 3 locations for ski slopes and terrain park, as well as Mount Hotham and Bowles Creek. Greeted with approximately 400,000 visitors each winter for its snowboard and ski facilities. I'll have to say, with only a 3-hour drive from Melbourne City, this is a place to be, for a hectic snow trip consisting with a variety of ski runs. From easy peasy Japanesey beginner runs that allows you to learn the way, to black runs where one false dodge can get you smashed into a tree. This mountain is suitable for anyone wanting to snowboard or ski, for rich cause it's bloody expensive. With the $150 to $250 lift pass a day, you could be spending that on 10 vapes, cause who doesn't like a refreshing head spin at the top of the snow? I'll recommend just buying a kid pass and just say you're under 18 and hope for the best, cause you'll be saving $100 plus for the weekend.